Today discuss about the Article 21 of the Constitution. What is 21 of the Constitution? Let's discuss about that. Article 21 says the right to life and personal liberty. So let's about discuss. We are knowing that the Article 21 is included the right to die. Yes, in 2018 Supreme Court says right to die is a fundamental right. But Supreme Court decided some restriction, and restriction is included two part. Some is firstly is knowing that the passive euthanasia and second is the active euthanasia. Let's about the passive euthanasia. However, there is the withdrawal of necessary medical treatment with the deliberate intention to has the death is terminal. In other words, life-saving medicine would be discontinued or order bring about the death of voluntarily. And second is active euthanasia. Active euthanasia is called the involuntary euthanasia is conducted without consent where each individual makes up the decision. Says that the indicating death by giving or providing medication or treatment like is big or can say that any other person who is suffering from a very ill, so we are medication and treatment leading to death. And we are leading a case for the relating to euthanasia. First is Aruna Ramchandra Saubhag versus Union of India. It says that Aruna Saubhag was the nurse and assaulted by the boy in 1973. She remained blind and paralyzed and vegetative in her death of the 2015. The writ petition was filed by the Pinky Virani claiming that her right to life granted by the constitution had been violated, and some of other rejection rejected by the medical examination. However, later in Aruna Ramchandra Saubhag was the Union of India versus Supreme Court in 2011 had the passive euthanasia could be given and not in the case of exceptional. So we are the discuss about the repetition was the file Pinky Virani claiming that her right to life and guaranteed by the constitution had been violated. In second second landmark judgment of Aruna Sambhag but in 2011 recognized passive euthanasia in which it had permitted withdrawal of life. Sustaining treatment from the Supreme Court specified to irreversible condition permit to passive euthanasia law in 2011 and says about the brain dead for whom of the ventilator can be switched off, and second that the those of the persist vegetate state PVS for whom would feed the tarped out of the pen and managing penalty palliative up to added according to laid down international specification. And we are the discuss about the euthanasia in law. What is the position in India? In 2018 Supreme Court of the India declared that the government would be honor and living with allowing consenting patient to be passively euthanized if patient is suffer from a terminal illness or is a vegetative state. A living will is a written documentary by way of which patient can give his exploit extension and advance about the medical treatment terminated when she is terminally ill or no longer able to express informed consent. The decision was made as the part of verdict in the case of involving Aruna Shobhag, who is the persist vegetative state PVC is the death of 2015. That the guidelines of the judgment passed by the five judges of the Constitution bench setting at the strict guideline are to be followed. That these guideline of the who is can executive the will of the under what is condition what be medical board endorse the passive euthanasia. Guidelines declaring that the medical board would be required to declare that life-saving medical option have been executed. What is the some restriction and what is the benefit? So let's about the discuss about the benefit of the euthanasia. Provide the relief of extreme pain, and second is the relief physical, mental, and physiological plan for the patient of the family, their family. And what is the misuse of the euthanasia in India? Then the living will could be misused, religious belief could be posed of the conflict in few scenario, And second and third is the person might not be will inform of the possible treatment and then be what is the 80 ruling. The Supreme Court has held that the right to die with the dignity is a fundamental right, and our constitution says it is the right to life and personal liberty, as also included the right to die with the dignity pool. And in India 2018